What's up, guys? It's your boy No Chill Chad checking in, and I got a new little gift just came in, and we're gonna do a little unboxing so you can see what it is. Just a little bit, just another part to the project. This is gonna be for the car. This is not gonna be for the truck, but I got new stuff coming for the truck. But we wanted to go and unbox this. All right, stay tuned. What's up? We back, and we're going to just start opening this up. Just a little something. It's always the little things, but I'm stoked to get this in. It's been a long time coming, so hope you guys enjoy this little unboxing, man. Give you some inspiration. You might want to do it too. So let's see. Good padding. Got a packing slip. Yes, sir. Boy, that's gonna be crazy. Like, this is gonna look crazy. Oh man. The wells look really good. Can you see that, man? You have the option of, you can get the inside painted black, but I opted not to paint them black because I think I'm gonna try to get all of that polished up, everything polished. Stainless steel, not gonna rust. This thing looks amazing. So I did the double D. This is the 4-inch. So I got the 4-inch. 4-inch here. And I also have the 4-inch tip here. And reinforcement. I mean, it's not really heavy or anything like that, but it looks amazing. Like, the wells look A1, man. This is like some jewelry, man. I just want to like put it on the chain. But this is a CME center mount exhaust tip, and this is gonna be for the center mount exhaust. I have the diffuser. I just got to get it sanded. I'm gonna get it put on the bumper, fused together, make it all one piece, and then we're gonna add this tip. So actually, let me go get the diffuser now to see if the tip's even gonna fit. 1 second. So yeah, this is my CME diffuser. I found it on Marketplace. This is an OEM one. I didn't want to go with the aftermarket ones. I've seen they're a little bit flimsy. I've seen some people be able to make it work, but I just want to make sure I just had everything OEM so I know it was gonna fit. I wouldn't have any issues. Got the tip here, and as you can see, that right there is going to look nasty. Once again, like I said, this is the 4-inch double D is what they call it, 4-inch double D tip, 4-inch piping. And that's gonna look just nasty hanging out the back of the car. And then what I plan on doing is we're gonna try to adapt the Corsa muffler because they're single in, dual out. I got a Y pipe. We're gonna try to make it work with that. And then we're also going to laser engrave the Corsa logo here on the tips, just to let you know that it's still Corsa, even though it's a different tip, but the muffler is still gonna be Corsa. So definitely trying to do this custom setup for you guys, but I just wanted to do that unboxing. Like I said, dish review on this tip right here, man. I'll post it on my page, so if you guys want to order one as well, you'll have access to that. Tell them I sent you. They also have a smaller one if you want to get the 3-inch. They also have the Cyclops, where it's like one big piece, or one piece together, but this right here is sick. All right, so I'm definitely gonna leave them some high ratings on this one. Ship fast, easy payment, and we in there, man. But if you have any questions or concerns, you can feel free to hit me up. NoChillChat.com. Don't forget to check out my merch. Yes, sir. Whoosh Gang over everything. I got some other shirts on there as well. But yeah, man. I mean, got some things coming. It's gonna be a little slow motion for a minute. Because of course I got the new wheels coming. I got the rear end, doing stuff on my truck. But yeah, man, I appreciate you guys for just locking in and just staying on the, just locking in with me and, following my build and asking questions and, saying, just give me a lot of motivation just to keep going. So, No Chill Chad, checking out, man. Later.